I couldn't sleep. I took the Sominex. But voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour! Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my gosh!
Your friendly Audrey, too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Well, believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need water in the worst way. Look at my branches, I'm a gardener, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
You just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll drink it straight.
Oh, your branches are dry, poor thing.
Don't need no glass or no ice.
I think they can.
Don't need no twist of love.
Here we go.
And now it's supper time. Relax and go and give me your dentist bread and mush bread right inside.
Get off her! Get off her! Audrey, are you alright?
Yes. No.
Audrey, please don't die. I need you. Please don't die.
You know, the plant said the strangest thing just now. It said that Moran and Mr. Bushnick were already inside.
It's true. I fed them to you.
And that's what made it so big and strong, and you so famous.
I've done terrible things, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly,